monkeys over there. You know how to recognize them? No? Let me tell you, if they respond to our waving, they're humans, alright? Bye! Oh, only a few humans over there. And also your right hand side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bye! Wow, so many monkeys today. Alright, now we are going to the longest river in the world for adventure, which costs 4,000 miles. But no worries, I know it's okay, we can come back very soon. Alright, now take a look to your left side and you will see the mother elephant and the baby elephant. And the mother is teaching her little one how to use his trunk right now. Yeah. And also, that's the brother on your right hand side having a shower. He just learned how to do his trunk, guys. Watch out. Alright. And that is the father elephant. Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you doing? You want to try one more time? Of course! Alright, 3, 2, 1! I'm just kidding. Alright, now we are entering the Asian temple. Take a look to your left side and you can see the giant spider. They can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. When they jump, they will jump right over us. And up ahead is the elephant god Ganesha and also King Cobra. You know what? King Cobra are the poisonous snakes in the world, so you better keep a few buddy inside the bowl. Alright. And now we're passing through the crocodile territory. And remember to remain seated because they're very hungry right now. If they see your butt, I'm sure they will come over. Alright, and then you will see the campsite set up by Professor Potter. But seems that he didn't lock his door when he go out and some unexpected company came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 gorillas over here, look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, let's get out of here. Dangerous. Alright, and then you will see the count. Oh, it's a wow. Look at that. What a wonderful place. There are zebras and giraffes and also African elephants. And let me introduce to you, this is John. He is the world's second most feared African elephant. Say hello to John. Hi John, we're talking about you. Yeah. Nice. Whoa. That's the most real one, his mother-in-law. Alright, now we are passing through the hippo's food, and I remind you, they never brush their teeth, so don't try to speak to them, okay? Wow, look at that. Ooh, wow, so smelly. Look at that. Alright, oh. Hey guys, what are you doing over there? Really? Just climbing a tree? Do you believe that? No, I doubt that because I see rhino chasing them. I'm sorry, my boy is so I'm gonna pick you up later on, okay? Alright, now we are getting back to... Whoa. Yes, look at that. This ghost is so small. Oh, guys, get down, no! He's hunter! Let's get out of here! Oh, goodness, I'm not a kid. That was close. Alright, is anybody get hurt? No, great, and now we can finally head back to the doctors up ahead. Thank you for all of you coming with me. Whoa! What happened? Oh, no, this is Forbidden Canyon. Let's get out of here. No, we both got our way. We have to return now. Let's get back. Uh-oh. We have no way out. to the dog, before that, remember to remain seated and also please keep your hands and arms and your elbow inside the bowl because I don't want you to damage my dog. It's expensive. Alright, now it's time to say goodbye to the baby elephant. Goodbye. Alright, now we are getting back. So if you enjoy the journey with me, just remember my name is Isaac. If you don't, remember my name is Peter. Alright, now give me 1 second to stop the boat and then you can leave through the middle and the back exit. But remember, never climb the windows. Otherwise, I will send you back to the jungle and you can only eat bananas for the rest of your life, okay? Alright, 3, 2, and finally 1. My boat has stopped. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for coming, thanks for laughing. And if you didn't laugh at all, thanks for leaving. Okay, watch your step, mighty guests. Remember to take all your belongings.